guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am the Makeup Traveler. If you're an oldie but goodie, thank you for coming back by. So today we got some new goodies. I went and picked up the new Maybelline Tattoo Studio Eyebrow Gel. Now, it's been a lot of hype about this gel, so I'm excited to try it out and give you guys my full review on how I think it's going to be. So if you're interested to see this look, keep watching. Okay, so I heard a lot about the new products that Maybelline came out with, the Tattoo Studio being one of them. The Super Stay is another one, but that's for another day. But as far as this Tattoo Studio is concerned, I'm actually really excited to try it out. So it comes with a little spoolie, and this is the packaging itself. Now, it says that it's waterproof. It says it's supposed to last for 2 days. It says it's supposed to be smudge proof, and apparently it's the bee's knees. It's the hottest thing on the market right now. Now, I normally use a dip pomade, but I'm excited to see how this one is going to be. Okay, it looks like a soft tip applicator. I got this in the color medium brown. They had 2 other colors, but they were a bit too dark for my liking. So I just got it in the normal shade that I would normally get a dip pomade in. Alright, so let's see. Get this spoolie, get these brows together. I'm excited to try this for real. Alright. Let's see how this goes. I'm going to start in the back because I don't want my front to be too dark. Okay, so far so good. So far so good. I'm going to use this spoolie to distribute. I like for my brows to be on the more natural looking side. So I think that with this, it'll actually help out a lot with that. Because even though it says medium brown, it's not coming off as like a harsh brown. Oh, I think I put a little bit too much. So far so good. But I definitely think if you're more of like the bold Instagram eyebrows, I don't think that this would be, you know, it for you, because it applies on lightly. It applies on very lightly. I think if you like a more harsher eyebrow, you would probably, you know, stick with the dip brow. I'm just gonna clean them up a little bit. I'm gonna wear these all day and see how it lasts. because it says it's supposed to be smudge proof. So we're gonna put this thing to the test. What you think? You like it? Yes. I like it because it gives you that more natural brow. I like it. Now, I gotta try it out to see if it actually does smudge and if it actually is waterproof. No. I'm gonna give it the benefit of the doubt. Maybe it wasn't dry all the way yet. I'm gonna give it the benefit of the doubt. So we gonna wait. We gonna come back and we gonna see how this is going. Cause right now I got some residue on my fingers. So we gonna see. Should have dried by now. Let's try it again. New finger. I'm getting a little bit, I wouldn't necessarily say that it's like 100% smudge proof, no transfer and all of this type of stuff. I wouldn't go that far. I give it a good 99.6, but it's definitely not 100%. Definitely not 100%. So let's try it with some water. Let's see how the water does. Okay. I will say it's waterproof though. I can definitely say it's waterproof. Yeah. It's definitely waterproof. Easily. Okay. Alright. Yeah, it's definitely waterproof. Smudge proof? No. Waterproof? Yes. Okay. Alright, Maybelline. Okay. Now, and it falls right back in place. It falls right back in place. Okay. I like it. I like this. I like this a lot. I'm liking this a lot, guys. It looks very natural, very nice. Not too harsh. I like this a lot. Alright, well, there you have it. That concludes today's video. If you enjoyed it, definitely give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Definitely leave comments down below. If you have tried this product out, I would love to hear what your reviews on this product is. If you have any suggestions on any products that I should try, definitely leave those down there as well. We're on our way to 100K. I know it's far. I know that's a high number, but I got hope. We on our way. So don't forget to share this video, tell your friends so they can tell their friends, and then they can come on back, and then we can all be friends, and then it'll be a whole big community. So yeah, I love you guys to no end, and Lord willing, I will see you all in my next video.